Well, hello and welcome to Shane's Hobby Shop. This is my entry to the Russell Clarity's Pallet Upcycle Challenge of 2018. I hope you enjoy. But please stay tuned, watch this video, because I got special music that's going to be sung by not only my grandkids, but my wife, who has composed this special song just for this purpose only. Alright, so please stay tuned. If you like this video and you like the music, please go on over to Know What Mom Knows and give her a like. Alright? Thank you very much.
Introducing Rihanna, Elizabeth, and Mom from Know What Mom Knows.
Know what Mom knows?
Know What Mom Knows.
You always say, know what Mom knows.
Yeah.
We sit at the back porch, too.
Yeah, we see it at the back porch. We see it in the front porch. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's just all sing it together. All right. 1, 2, and 3. I'm making sawdust in the morning. I'm making sawdust in the night. I'm making sawdust when I'm sleeping. I'm making sawdust all the time. I'm making sawdust in the morning. I'm making sawdust all the night. I'm making sawdust when I'm sleeping. I'm making sawdust all the time. Do you hear that roaring sound? The thunder, is it sawdust? Is it rain?
Is it rain?
I'm making sawdust in the morning. I'm making sawdust in my dreams. I'll take my hammer and my nails and make a picture frame today. I'll take my mallet and my chisels and do a carving to display. Do you hear that roaring sound? The thunder, is it sawdust? Is it rain? I'm making sawdust in the morning. I'm making sawdust in my dreams. I think I'll participate in the Pallet Challenge, making tables, maybe chairs. I think I'll participate in the scroll saw contest, scrolling a landscape with some bells. Or do you hear that roaring sound of thunder? Is it sawdust? Is it rain? I'm making sawdust in the morning. I'm making sawdust in my dreams. I take my scroll saw and my spirals and cut out fretwork to display. I take my pallet boards and my scrap bin and work on projects every day. Do you hear that roaring sound? The thunder, is it sawdust? Is it rain? I'm making sawdust in the morning. I'm making sawdust in my dreams. I'm making sawdust in the morning. I'm making sawdust in the night. I'm making sawdust when I'm sleeping. I'm making sawdust all the time. I'm making sawdust in the morning. I'm making sawdust in the night. I'm making sawdust when I'm sleeping. I'm making sawdust all the time. I'm making sawdust in the morning.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi everyone, Mom here from Know What Mom Knows. So, do you know what Mom knows? You probably don't, but you're gonna find out. I have a very special announcement during the first week of September that will change the life of my channel and actually change my life personally. You're not going to want to miss that announcement. Some awesome, wonderful changes are about to happen. And guess what? Sawdusto is not a part of it. I will be explaining why. But be prepared for some wonderful news, and you've got to grab on to that video that first week in September. Don't miss it. And right now we have our beautiful granddaughter living with us, Rihanna, who's going to be spending the whole next year with us, and we are proud grandparents. So we have some awesome changes with that, with our channel, including our granddaughter. And I promise you, it will still be something you, the woodworker, the maker, are going to want to participate in and watch. So I'm excited. Y'all come over the first week in September to Know What Mom Knows. I invite you. Thanks, everyone. I hope you have the best day ever. And now you, that's right, you, know what Mom knows.
Well, okay, here you go. A little pallet wood end table. Made totally out of pallet wood. The only thing that is not out of pallet wood is the drawer bottom right here. And of course, just these two handles for the hinges. Everything else is out of pallet wood. It is put together with pocket screws throughout the whole thing. And yeah, there it is. It's going to be a nice little addition to my granddaughter's room that I'm going to start building her. Next thing I want to do is build her a bed. But that's a totally different video. But yeah, this is the entry to the Russell Clarity's 2018 Pallet Upcycle Challenge. Alright, I appreciate it, and we'll see y'all next time.